guys, what's up? It's Lamberg Vlogs back today. So remember how I showed you that dirt in one of the turtle videos? We're gonna be showing you the turtles in this video because we built something for them, and it's pretty cool. So we're gonna show you that in this video. But we're gonna go up to that dirt track that we showed you. It's not done. We only have 3 jumps on it right now. But sorry I didn't post after that because I went to Outer Banks and we didn't really keep up on the track that well. So it looks a little messy. That's why. So
Hi, Calvin.
So, I don't know, do you guys like riding up on the bike, or do you rather me just pause it and do it the other way? Should we go up on the bike today?
Or do you not really care?
Yeah, probably doesn't really care. We'll be back when we get up there.
Hi guys, we're going to be watching Liam here hitting our biggest jump on the track. Currently, he will be hitting right now. Calvin. I hate that people think that is my nickname.
Oh, sure. Take a jump.
Okay. I'll hit the big jump.
Steven, Kelvin, your kickstand's down. Your kickstand's down. Okay. Here goes Kelvin. Here goes Kelvin. Whipping up through. So this jump is our smallest jump right here. I kind of redid it. It was wicked small before I redid it. But we just hit it, as you can see. It's a little soft today. This one's okay. It's not, oh. Well guys. Alright, Kelvin, just film really quick me hitting that one. Just the way you filmed the other one, alright? Alright, let's do this quick. Just film me hitting this jump. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Come on, Kelvin. Alright. Make sure it does not get wet.
I'll try. We are about to see Liam hit the jump before it starts pouring here. Jump. This jump is nowhere nearly as drastic as the big jump, but it's a jump. Some burnouts. Sideburns burnout.
Alright, guys. We'll see you back down at the house, guys. Show you the turtles. Alright, peace. Hey guys, what's up? So, as you can see, this is what I was talking about. We built this all from scratch. Most of the stuff in here we found, except for this and mulch stuff and the bin. So as you can see, the turtle right here, that's Florence. These are other turtles. Both females. One of them we picked out as a female, but the other one we
So this is our pond in the cage. Here's a closer look at it. And that's Eleanor and Flora. You want to say hi? And there's Florence. We want to look into getting a waterfall for maybe one of the corners in our pond.
And just jump gets in here, so make sure this is not cut it out.
And we also put the filter in there sometimes.
So we kind of switch stuff around in both tanks. So when they're playing in here, we'll take it out of that tank and put it over here. That's what we did today with the filter. I don't think they really like that fish. The fish also sometimes, we're sitting around in here today just for the video, but normally he's up in the tank with the fish, the turtles. It started down here level, this is level up to here, and then we made a little hill going up to them.
Oh, and you can see the turtles decided to get out of the pond.
What Florence is doing, Florence is kind of just
Sitting there. And Eleanor, she thinks she can get out. She's got this whole area here, but she tries to get out. Oh dear, Florence just took a fall off the cliff. Oh dear.
And if you guys have never seen this place before, it's wicked cool.
Okay.
They build tanks for everything. We just heard about them. We really like them.
From a pet store we really like, and I will show you what it's called right here. Am I allowed to say the name of it on video? Because I don't know about YouTube rules.
But you can see it. But yeah. So those people are really good. This is where we got this pond from.
It's a really nice pet
Did
store.
we get this light from there too?
Yes. I think.
And we got this from there too. Everything we get from there is just really nice. We got this mulchy stuff from here. It's jungle dirt. Pretty good stuff. And we homemade built this ramp.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice ramp. It works.
A lot of our stuff in that tank is also from there.
Yeah, but it's really nice. Our setup here.
And if you guys are ever looking for like a really rare tortoise, you guys are gonna want to go to them. They have a lot of those.
Like they have albino turtles and stuff there. It is an awesome place.
Yep, they've got lizards. They've got like everything there. It's really cool.
Like they have even like these little baby snakes that are for sale actually.
And they look, they're just little babies. And then you see the other ones. It's crazy. It just looks like miniature.
We were there yesterday, and my cousin here, Liam, he saw he was looking for a lizard in one of the cages, and he was amazed. The lizard was so big, he thought it was a decoration, and then his mom told him it was a lizard, and he was like, oh my gosh.
Yeah, and I said right below that cage, not a good pet.
But it was for sale.
It was for sale. But
Not a good pet, I guess.
so, we're gonna go to Florence Florence.
Oh, she's going into the little house there. She is just camera shy today.
She really is. Every time we pull the camera out, she just gets shy. Like, when I got her out today, I put her in here, I put her on the rock, and she went right into her shell. Normally she's wicked friendly, and she loves hanging around people, but she was like, I don't want this, I don't want this. Anytime you get off camera, then she gets like wicked hyper and excited, and she'll like run around here. Just like Eleanor over there, because Eleanor's on camera shy. We don't know what Eleanor's doing right now, but whatever she's doing.
I think she's digging a hole.
So, speaking of holes, the way we built this is we didn't have too much of this stuff, and we want to be able to change it when we need to. So we put a layer of dirt under this and to build it all up, and then we packed it down and we put this stuff down. So it looks wicked packed down and firm and nice for the turtles, which is really good how we wanted it. And right here, we keep this a bit moist, all around here. And then down here, this is a really dry area.
And also, you can also see right here where the dirt starts.
Yeah, you can see right here too. You can see where we...
All good viewing areas.
And we made this right here because if we had it right up to the wall, per se like this, the turtles can just climb on top of it and get out right there, which we don't need any trouble getting out. Especially if we like go out on dirt bikes or something, we don't want to have to watch them, which we kind of have to do anyways. We had one get out yesterday. So, yeah. We got one.
Oh, hello.
You guys haven't seen this little girl. Tell me if you think she's gotten bigger.
It definitely looks like Eleanor's bigger. Oh dear, Liam, she flipped on her shell. Okay. Because, Liam, can you tell us what can happen when they flip on the shells?
Well, I just heard this. I'm not 100% sure, but sometimes when they flip on their shells, they can get very nervous and have a heart attack. So, you really don't want them flipping. Oh, okay, her right here. Yeah, I'm gonna watch me.
No, you're not going to get out.
So, we don't know if we're gonna put mesh over this or what we want to do with this, because sometimes we want to leave them in here since it's a lot bigger than their tank and there's a more dry area for them to just chill out. Or we have this top that came with this. I was thinking about taking my knife and just cutting holes in it and then putting it on top of it here. I don't know, this is weird. I don't know what's up with her, but like we feed her.
We're going to get a container to feed her in.
So see, this is the containers that we feed them in because that's what it tells you to do too. It's a good way to do it, especially for your filter. Not as much pressure on your filter, and you can monitor what they're eating, especially if you have fish in the tank with them. But we had her in one of those, and so if I tap on a piece of food, she sees my finger tapping on it, and she'll come right over to that piece of food. Even if she's eating another piece, she'll come directly over to it, and she'll just eat it. It's pretty cool the way it works. I don't know what goes through her head, but she just comes over there and eats it. And that fish, he's a feeder fish, so you might see him eating some stuff. It's a feeder fish over there. You should saw how small he was.
But now he's a goldfish, I would say.
If you really look at her shell when she's dry, you can see these little swirls in it, and it's really pretty.
Now, Eleanor, she's got more of a Teenage Mutant Turtle shell, as you can see there. But Florence has a yellow around the edges of her shell, and Eleanor has orange on the edges of her shell.
So, I don't know if I've ever told you guys this. I probably did in the turtle video, but she's a yellow belly slider, and the other ones are green tailed. So, as you can see by their bellies, hers is yellow, and she's the feisty one. Hers is a lot of colors. Orange, even a little white. But yeah, pretty cool little turtles, right guys?
Yeah,
If we have comments on this video, leave a comment below. What do you think of these turtles? What do you think of this? It's simple, really. You can build it at home. Like I'm a 12-year-old, and I could do this just fine by myself.
actually, I helped.
He helped. It's just if I needed to, I could do it by myself.
I could too. It's not really hard to do.
Yeah, it's not hard at all.
We can-
All you do is you go to your local pet store. Your local pet store will have really any of this stuff that you're gonna need. And you can just get yourself started with a bin like this. Go to Dollar General.
Buy a bin. Then you can just dig dirt out of your backyard since we want this to be natural. Then you get the jungle chips and put those down. Well, you put the pond in first.
Yep, but what you're gonna also want to do is if you have woods around you, go in the woods, find sticks like this. Make sure they don't have bugs in them. Bang them out for bugs. I mean, turtles do eat bugs, but you really don't want bugs in a habitat like this. So, yeah. But yeah, guys, this is what we want to show you today. Other than that, subscribe, like this video, and leave a like for these little turtles. Aren't they just so cute? Alright, peace, guys.
I don't know how to stop the video, guys.
That's Kelvin. Kelvins these days. Just don't know how to stop the videos.